Guys, welcome back to J&J Bowling. Today we're going to do game 3 of the 12 game series between me and Bob or Crash. All right, Crash, I think you're up.
All right, start game 3 minus 20.
Yep. Make sure you go back and check games 1 and 2 out. Got in like 5 to 10 minute practice on the shot. Never did this shot before. Let's pick up. I got it out too far. Got it out a little too far.
You done? Nope. Gotta get inside. Miss your mark left on this shot. No forgiveness.
A little bit better.
That should go.
Nice shot. So we're trying to throw it a little bit inside there too as well. It just missed.
Did I hear a thumb hole on that shot?
Yeah, you did. That's all right.
Maybe.
Ooh. This game is all about not making mistakes. They've things that you can make. Nice cover. All right, we gotta get this ball inside here a little bit. Should be all right. Maybe no. Yeah, a little more.
Ooh, nice shot.
Thank you. We'll go 20, I think. Look at 9, maybe? Oh, too fast. God, though. This guy get a little more.
This is the trick with this shot, is that if you miss left, it'll
Don't
screw
just
you
get
up.
fast, that's what it is.
There's no room for error like a normal house shot.
Good shot.
I think I set that a little short.
Yeah, this guy's going slower, guys. Pick up. All right.
Yeah. It's really the name of the game for this condition is making your spares. If you can leave
Go slow.
9 counts, makeable spares, you're in good shape.
I don't like that one.
But one little slip, you know, one board to the left, or you come out of the ball wrong, or you set it a little far, slightest little, yeah. Were you thinking about flagging it to the left, which has caused you to?
I was trying to throw it straight at it almost because I know if I throw it, obviously it's no dry, it's gonna do anything. It's gonna slide on. So I was trying to be more direct with it. It's got a little too much. Ah, no Bob strike. Like a little bit better, but. Hey.
out, look out, look out!
Oh!
Fortuitous.
Boo.
All right. The trick is, what do you do after that?
Guys.
Don't throw it so shitty. There we go. Oh my,
man.
that was paybacks. Throw a good ball after the shitty ball.
No. It's not good enough. The last two, I believe we threw a little bit better. You move back to on 20. Go slow.
All right.
Pick up. Pick up.
Making the spares.
Yep. Yep.
Put your hand out, close your eyes. Put your hand out, close your eyes. There you go. It's your card from last week.
Buffing the bar.
Need a couple strikes. Get right back.
I hate the fact that they force you to leave it there. The other places don't. So you didn't see my strike in the 6 frame, did you? Brooklyn?
Yeah. Well, you're up for the Dutchman's,
Yeah.
which is nice.
Ooh, all right.
I was worried too. A little bit. It's right here.
But I haven't doubled, so
Dare stand on 19 here?
there's not a whole lot of advantage.
I have to try.
Just a little advantage. Oh no! Oh no! Wow.
Ah.
He didn't deserve that.
Nope.
Out of frustration, that's all.
You didn't deserve that.
Maybe. We'll have to go back and look at it, but
That was good ball.
All right. Keep the ball
probably
in
deflect
play.
or something.
Don't get too lazy.
So I think, like I said, I moved over a board though. So dare I try.
That might go.
Yeah.
I like to mess it up with a double right about now.
I was thinking about if I could get a double, I'd be right back in it, but I'm far off. It's all right.
Maybe. Ugh.
Oh. Lanes are playing a little bit different, maybe.
Okay, go right at it. Oh, shit.
Ah, wow.
That was not good.
All right.
Yeah.
A lot of work to do, guys. A lot of work.
But
Oh, I got a bob strike.
I mean, we are playing 12 games total pins. I know, I did give him a little bit of a... I mean, I'll probably win this game, but... Well, he can go sheet for 186, I can go sheet for 196.
He's got it.
Yeah.
It's not pretty, guys. It's going slow as hell.
Find out now.
I'm actually more interested in the next game because it's going to open up a little bit.
Oh, that might go a little harder then.
All right.
Bob's got a little work to do, I guess. A little bit.
Okay.
Yeah, I opened twice, so just couldn't. He's been striking over here, so. Just not wow. Yeah. I mean, you've been doing great on that lane. Nice pick up.
All right, take the win. Cut into the 20 pin lead.
Yeah, just bad two opens there. Just made the move there and shouldn't have, and then I think we found a little something though, so we'll see.
Are you going to shoot the same loop?
Yeah. No, next week will be different.
Okay.
It'll be whatever I want. Be a surprise. Oh, why couldn't I have been?
All right, I kind of like the way the shot's going to be.
Yeah,
it's going to loosen up a little bit this next game.
All right, that's game number 3. We'll see you in game number 4.